A cataract is a clouding of the eye's lens. It can cause blurry vision, halos around lights, and difficulty seeing in low light conditions. Cataract surgery involves removing the eye's lens and replacing it with an artificial lens. The surgery takes place here at OCL in our lens suite. It's done with you awake, lying down with anesthetic drops in your eye. If you'd like, we can give you some additional sedation to make you feel more relaxed. The procedure itself takes about 12 minutes per eye, and the total time you'll spend with us is about 2 hours in total. On the day of the surgery, the vision is blurry and you can feel a little bit uncomfortable and light sensitive, but this passes within a day or two. Most patients return to normal activities within a few days. If you'd like to make an appointment, then you can email us at info@oclvision.com or call us on 0203 369 2020.